Hi, it's me Jihad Hayatul Falah, supervised by Mr. Johari bin Kasim. Here I'm going to inform you about my final year project, development of wireless wearable non-contact ECG device for mobile monitoring system. This is the system overview. So the non-contact sensor electrodes is placed on the body after insulation layer such as clothes. The non-contact sensor electrodes will sense the electrocardiogram signal from the heart as a potential source by capacitive coupling electrodes. Then, it will be buffered to the next stage, it as signal data acquisition in wireless data acquisition module, which is consisting of analog and digital biomedical signal processing. Then, the signal will transmitted to mobile system output platform to be stored in the cloud. This is the example of devices application in military vest system. So here is the designed analog circuit for non-contact ECG device. Starting from these two non-contact electrodes, which is consisting of buffer and capacitive coupling. Then these 10K resistors is for shielding. Then the signal sensed by capacitive coupling, then it will be buffer by these two stages of buffer. Then the signal will be transferred to passive AC coupling. After the passive AC coupling, the signal is entering the instrumentation amplifier. In the instrumentation amplifier, the DRL circuit or driven right leg circuit as active grounding is attached as a signal carrier in this circuit. Then the third order high pass filter bezel will attenuate the interference with frequencies lower than the cutoff frequencies. Then the Wien-Robinson filter as a notch filter will cancel out the surrounding power line noise interference by 50 Hz with high quality cutoff. Then at the last stage, an anti-aliasing filter or low-pass filter multiple feedback will cancel out the higher frequency interference and by 250 Hz in a critical situation. Then the ECG signal will be digitized by a data sigma ADC. Let's take a look to the oscilloscope. The signal is successfully amplified and filtered. This small waveform is an input and this bigger one is the output. The simulation is using sinusoidal wave because the ECG signal is not provided in multisim. Then let's scale to the smaller value, and the signal is AM or amplitude modulation because it has a carrier in the DRL. Then let's take a look to the board plot. This frequency response is achieving the objectives. Then let's scale to the end of the frequencies, which is 250. The signal is successfully filtered and amplified in succeeding stage by 22.527 plus 3 because it is located at the cutoff, which is minus 3 dB. So the value is become 25.527 decibel. All of the cutoff frequencies has been achieving the objectives. Here is the transient response of the circuit. It was successfully amplified by 20 times as the circuit was designed. This is the transient response in higher scale. The signal shows amplitude modulation or AM signal. It means that the signal was successfully modulated using this circuit. As for a literature critique, this is from Fong and his team at 2015. When a superabsorbent polymer is embedded or coated to the non-contact ECG sensor, it gives higher relative humidity in order to stabilize the signal. These two are an example as a literature critic of non-contact ECG signal output from previous projects. Chi and teams was successfully experimented on non-contact ECG in various movement conditions, while Fong and teams was successfully added superabsorbent polymer to make a stabilized ECG signal. In conclusion, the ECG circuit was designed and simulated using Multisim software, and it is successfully achieving the objectives. The DRL sensor will eliminate the baseline dips or motion artifacts of users' movement as it for mobile monitoring application. Then the superabsorbent polymer will increase the humidity in the sensor to make it more stable. Then differential signaling technique produce high quality signal and suitable for delta sigma ADC, which will increase the signal resolution. As the system is wearable, the smaller PCB design will allow the device to be embedded in clothing system, such as military, firefighters, and the patient who has cardiac arrhythmia or others. Thank you.